Hey everyone, today I will be teaching you how to render your Adobe Premiere sequences to view smoothly in order to catch editing mistakes or to show a friend for feedback instead of watching the choppy bits and fully exporting the entire video, waiting, and then finding a mistake in your sequence after only to have to export the entire thing again. This technique is way more efficient. I use it all the time when editing large projects. I even use it when editing small projects. So here I have a large documentary piece that I worked on. I have 6 different sequences in this piece and a final project sequence, but I just wanted to view and check my edits in this particular sequence here. If I press play on this and view it, it's choppy. It's going to end up being choppy. I can't watch it like this. If you feel like me, I find this extremely annoying. So here is the problem. There is a red indicator that is actually in the timeline, and you could see it right here. This means that the sequence is not rendered. Once I render it, the line will turn green and I can view the sequence smoothly, how it should be viewed. To do that, I click on Sequence. You can choose Render Effects into Out or Render into Out. Render Effects is everything within that red bar. Render into Out is either red or yellow. So you can also mark your sequence with the area that you want to render, but I'm just going to render the entire sequence. You can just press Enter on your keyboard as the shortcut. So depending on your RAM and your machine and how complex your sequence is, how many transitions are in it, the rendering time will vary. I think it's still faster than exporting, that way I could keep working on my project. Okay, so my red render bar has turned green, and now it automatically plays my sequence all the way through with no choppy preview. If you like my videos and tutorials, just hit subscribe. Feel free to check out some other good stuff here. Thanks for watching.